Are you looking for a home for sale in the Littleton, Colorado area? How about one with a main floor master bedroom and a great lot? Well, look no further than this new listing that we're putting on this weekend. Hello, I'm David Novak with David Novak Homes and RE/MAX Professionals. And today we're at 5277 South Cody Street here in Littleton, Colorado. And we are in the Governor's Ranch subdivision here, which is a great area of Littleton. And today we have a 3-bed, 4-bath home, fully remodeled, and nothing to do but the new owner to make it their own. So let's go take a look at this great home today. As you walk in the front door, you're greeted with a wide open floor plan with fresh paint throughout. We have brand new plantation shutters up here, and we have brand new oak hardwood flooring throughout. We have a brand new freshly updated powder room here, and also a brand new butler's pantry with new cabinets, quartz countertops. You can entertain your guest in the freshly redone kitchen here with quartz countertops, a farm sink. We have brand new cabinets with soft close feature on there, brand new stainless appliances, and brand new tile throughout, along with the brand new hardwood flooring that gives this room an added pop. The main floor master bedroom, which features a 5-piece master bath that has all been freshly updated. We have some skylights there for more light in this great place. Fresh paint on the walls. Again, we have the brand new oak hardwood flooring here, and what a great room. You can also step out onto your deck in the evenings or afternoons or whatever you prefer. The upstairs of this great home features 2 bedrooms on each end with a great loft here for just some additional space if you'd like to make an office or whatever. As you can see, it looks out over the main living room there, and it has a great view out the window. And we also have a nice freshly remodeled full bath. This home also features a finished basement with a great bonus room here. We also have another half bath off to the side over here. And there's plenty of storage down here as well. We have a great little storage area off to the side here. And we have the laundry room along with storage as well. A pretty big area here for you to store your things. And check out this sunroom with lighting throughout. We have brand new Anderson sliding doors that were just installed, tile floor. You can enjoy this great room year-round and also take in all the fabulous views. From the sunroom, you can retreat out onto this private deck, which also comes off the main floor master bedroom, and enjoy those fine Colorado days and nights. And step out onto the greatest feature of this home. This home sits on probably one of the best lots in the area. And as you can see, you've got views of the mountains. We got a park back here, and it's just your backyard oasis. We have flowers. You can do a garden. The possibilities are endless back here. Well, this concludes our tour of this great home at Governor's Ranch area in Littleton, Colorado. And if you have any questions at any time, feel free to reach out. But don't miss this great home with these fabulous views and the private backyard. I'm David Novak with David Novak Homes and RE/MAX Professionals, and I hope you have a great day.